Hello guys, this is Manat Carpio of Tokyo with From. Okay, please join me. Let's sing together.
Old mother who loves me tenderly, for when I was a baby, she took good care of me. My sister by my side, I've heard a voice from heaven telling us my mother died. And when I woke up in the then I found my dreams come true, for the angels stood my mother and looked at the sky so blue.
Dear mother, was only yesterday. Yes, it must have been, for I could still feel the gentle touch of your fingers. It's not as you run them through my hairs as you put me to bed. The magic on your lips whenever you kiss my pants and thrills away. The tenderness of your voice so soothing and understanding. With these thoughts, mother, I wished you were still here with me today.
So children obey your mother, obey them faithfully, for if you lose your mother, you've lost the
Para po sa mga nanay, lalo na po doon sa mga wala ng nanay na katulad ko. God bless to everyone.